Let's just wander.
At this point, we have little choice.
Wrong way.
What? I think if we turn and go back the way we came one more time, we're never going to see anything but 1 and 10. And the tower.
Okay, let's go back to 10, Grizzly.
What?
Grandpa, you need to get up there and start helping do some
No,
map
he's the
breeding.
navigator.
Okay, go up left, right.
We're back to 10 again?
Yes.
Yeah, we're going back. Straight, left, right, left.
Oh my God. Are you sure you can get us through this? How many of these do we have to find?
I don't know.
I think 10. We found 2. So we're just at a blazing pace. We're to be done sometime next week. Now, all right.
See the kids. Climb up there and look around.
Hey, we found another one.
Yeah, I told you. Now
Right, left, right.
Okay, we've got a video evidence that we've done this.
No,
These.
it's left and then a right.
Right?
No, it's left and then a right.
No, that's what I said.
Then why did you turn right?
This is left.
No, your other left.
Oh!
Oh, we can't
No, keep going this way. Jesus Christ.
Well, now we're just walking in a circle. I told you we were
See,
going
I
right.
told
Oh, we found something.
You were
What'd
ready
we
to
get?
turn around.
We got 2.
Oh god, this is a long
This
way
is
to
4
3.
now that we've gotten.
And this is a long way to 3.
Okay, well, let's go find 8 or 3.
Right,
One or the other.
left. Wait, so
Okay, we go up this way,
Right.
then make a left.
that's right.
No, when you come to this, it's going to be making a left.
That's
The
right.
path
here, though.
curves
That's
that
your
way,
right
but
there.
that's not turning.
Wait, so do we
Okay,
go
so
that
we
way
make
or
a
this
left,
way? Do
And
we
then
go
a
that way?
right, and then another right. We'll
I
get
thought
to
we were
8.
going
Unfortunately,
Right,
the
right,
only
right,
person
we're at
with
8.
a sense of direction is taking the video. And the people
Okay,
that have
all
no
rights.
sense
Just
of
keep
direction.
going right.
Okay,
This way.
right.
Just keep going right. God, you're probably done outside there now, picking out pumpkins.
Okay.
Just keep going right.
No matter what, I'm just turning right. I'm listening to you. Right? If we go
Well,
in a
this
big
isn't the
circle,
right
it's your
turn.
fault.
Well, this is going to be a circle because you didn't turn right. You turned
We have to make a left up here.
through it.
Hey, let's go through here.
No. Stay on the path.
Right?
You quit counting where it's a right. The fact that the path curves, that's not a right turn.
Right?
Well, then
We're
go
gonna come
up
back up
and...
to 2 here any second.
We have to make a left.
Shoot me now. Just shoot me.
Oh, Ashton, I think I've seen this before. Where are you?
Let's hope we lost it. No, he didn't go right. You're going in circles. Go this way. This way, Ashton. This way.
Did you-
This way.
This way.
You're going in a circle. You're killing me.
Oh, I found it. Three, you're right.
What
Oh,
are-
no, this is 2. I'm listening to you,
Okay,
right?
now come on, you guys come up with
Okay,
a
I'm
plan.
this
just gonna
way.
follow in
This way.
Grandpa.
Oh my,
This is the way I went.
oh, I have seen 2 how many times?
Twice.
Not as many times as we saw 10.
You saw 10 once. Right, that's when you said to
Back
pick
to
right.
10.
That's when you said to pick right.
The best thing is we've not seen our,
Haven't we been here? Let's go up it. Tell us.
oh come on.
That's the way we
Look
came.
at tower.
Yes.
Bye, Mom. Go over that way. You'll never find Mom! Dad! You'll never find grape. Oh, there's no for 9.
Make it right. We don't need 9. We got 9. No, we had 1, 2, 10, and 9.
You have to make a list.
We're in good shape now. Ashton's leading again. Here's one.
We've gotten the 10 how many times?
3 times.
Oh my goodness. Go back. Please, somebody else take video.
Yeah, I think so too.
Make it right, Ashton.